Hi everyone, it's Jared with Heat Press Nation, and it's time to show you how to customize a sublimation desk clock from Unisub. For keeping an eye on the time at home or work, Unisub offers a sublimation desk clock kit that can be customized to anyone's liking. Your sublimation transfers will appear colorful and well contrasted, all thanks to the high quality build of the clock face, which is made of fiber reinforced plastic with a white gloss surface. These desk clocks make wonderful personalized gifts for family and friends and are perfect for corporate gift giving as well. First, we'll need a graphic to fit the clock's face size of 4 3/4 inches. We recommend creating your design as a 5-inch circle. This will give you some bleed area, which allows edge-to-edge printing and makes aligning the transfer much easier. After printing your transfer, trim it and place the clock face white side down onto it. Then use heat tape to attach the clock face to the transfer. To sublimate the Unisub desk clock, set your machine to 75 seconds at 400 degrees Fahrenheit with medium pressure. Once the press has reached temperature, place a sheet of parchment paper on the lower platen, then place the clock face with the transfer side up on top. Cover it with another sheet of parchment paper, then press. When the timer hits 0, open your heat press and allow the clock face to cool down for a moment. Afterwards, peel the transfer off the clock face. Your graphic has now been applied. The final step is to assemble the desk clock together with the parts and curved stand included in your kit. Then you're all set. To learn more about Unisub clock kits and other sublimation blanks, please visit our website at heatpressnation.com. For any questions, feel free to call My Expert representative at 800-215-0894. Once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation, and thanks for watching.